Traders, what's going on? So just an update on the Euro Aussie dollar idea that we had earlier. We can see that when we was looking at this idea, we were looking for price to come back after this bearish candle, at least back to some of these key levels for that pullback and that continuation. I guess it was just too much Aussie dollar news that dictated where the market was going today, or at least cause these fluctuations that we can see here. Break even targets all been met, broken back in, etc., etc. Would I really plan to take this trade any longer? Probably not. I want to see clean price action when I'm trading. I want to make it nice, simple, and easy, and or clean and easy, should I say? And to be honest with you, this is just not going to flow. I'll keep my alert there, see what happens when price gets back. But as of now, I think we'll probably call this one. Call it a day on this one and see what we can look for elsewhere. I do have one more idea for you guys looking at Aussie dollar USD. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, in my personal opinion. We'll use this red arrow here to identify a really strong trend to the upside. Just recognize any buys above this structure, you would have been absolutely fine as long as you had your stop loss below this trend line. Now we have this break and this first violation of this structure. Remember, this is the first time price is now breaking previous structural lows, creating new lower lows. I reckon if we get a pullback into this area here that we have marked out around 73, 72, we should see some sort of reaction. Maybe not, or maybe a strong one, or maybe not even one at all. But more often than not, after price break structure, especially key levels as well as we've seen here, we get a pullback into a level of sensitivity. We should see some sort of wick rejections from this level, hopefully enough to get to one for a break-even trade, and then eventually back down to some of these lows if we're going to continue this trend. So this is just a very short idea. I'm not going to go into too much details about this one, but just look out for it. We've got an alert set. Just remember, London has closed, and we'll be waiting for at least some sort of volume to kick in or take over for the close of the New York session. And if anything, it will run into the Asian session, Frankfurt, then London again. So just be wary of that. But let's look out for it. I think it's a great idea. Just remember, this is not a signal. This is just of my own opinion. And what I'm talking or speaking about right now is just for educational purposes. But I thought I'd share this idea with you. Hope you've all had a great trading day. We'll catch you back here tomorrow with an update. Take care for now.